What's up, you guys? This is Eric from Just Tech, and today we're going to be taking a look at a little application called My Xbox Live for the iPhone and iPad. So let's get to it. Okay, so Microsoft has just released a new app called My Xbox Live in the Windows Phone Marketplace and in the Apple App Store. Essentially, you can chat with your Xbox Live friends, edit your profile, or update your avatar. The iOS app is a little more limited compared to its Windows Phone counterpart, where you can search for content on your Xbox through your Windows Phone, and it essentially becomes a remote with extended information on what you're doing. Okay, so now we have the app open up on an iPad, and as you can see, it has the same Metro UI you've seen on most of Microsoft's current product lines and applications. It's a carbon copy everywhere from the UI to the animations. You can navigate by swiping left or right, or by pressing the text on the top to jump to the section you want to go to right away. The first screen you are greeted with is your home page, which is basically a spotlight of content available in the Xbox Marketplace. You can interact with these tiles by simply clicking on them. Let's click on this one. This one seems to have taken me to some sort of video, so let's back out of that. Okay. Now to the left of these tiles is a lone tile titled Browse. So we're going to click on that, and it takes us to a spotlight gallery where you can swipe left or right, as you expect from a Metro user interface, to see what else is in the spotlight. Alright, so now we're going to try backing out of here by pressing the back icon on the top left corner of the app. Alright, so now we're back home. Now before we move on to the next one, I'd like to point out the three icons on the top right corner. You have your mail icon, you click on that, and it takes you to a messaging interface where you can read and respond to your Xbox Live messages or create a new one. The next icon to the right of it is the settings icon with two simple commands for privacy settings or to sign out. Now, the third icon is a refresh icon. Now, it does just that. It refreshes whatever page you currently are on. Alright, so let's back out of that and let's take a look at the social page. But before I get into that, I just want to point out that your avatar follows you around each page. Just like that. Nothing major, just a nice little touch. Okay, so this is where you see your friends list and who is or isn't online. You can scroll through your friends list and you can click on a friend and it will display their avatar. It will compare your games, view their profile, or send a message. Along with that, you have some customization with your own profile. You can view and edit your profile. You can view your messages. You can set up a beacon for your friends to see, letting them know you want to play a certain game. Or you can edit your avatar. We aren't going to look at all of them right now, but let's take a look at the edit avatar. Now, just like your Xbox, you can fully customize your avatar. Now let's take a look at headwear. And try on some different hats. And you can simply scroll on the avatar to get a 360 view. Alright, let's back out. So back out of this. And move on to the final page, the games page. You can see the games you have and how many achievements you have for each of those games right on this page. You can search through your game history by pressing the search tile. And let's search for something like, say, Call of Duty. And as you can see, as I type, it brings up suggestions with the name Call of Duty in it in my game history. Alright, back out of here. And if you're not looking to search for a certain game, you just simply go to Browse and search throughout your whole gaming history. So as you can see, Microsoft has really made an amazing app here. It's both beautiful and functional. So if you have an Xbox Live account and a Windows Phone or iOS device, you owe it to yourself to get this app. Now this concludes our review of My Xbox Live for iOS. Be sure to check back every Tuesday for iOS app reviews and every Thursday for Android app reviews. And be sure to subscribe, follow us on Twitter, and like us on Facebook. Links will be in the description below. This is Just Tech, signing off.